Good morning to you. Well, today I woke up again, like I usually do. I was making my large cup of coffee, my delicious mushroom coffee, just like I had explained in my last video. If you guys want to tune in to the video that was talking about California being the #1 cancer state.
California is ranked #1 for the highest rates of cancer in 2024. Can you guess the number of cancer cases in California in 2024? It's an alarming 193,000 cases.
I talked about the mushroom coffee that I had.
Let me show you over here. It is called 4 Sigmatic Think Organic Coffee. I love this coffee because it has mushrooms.
I talked about, what else? Oh, and then I talked about the Girl Scout cookies that I was eating and why I had this epiphany that I shouldn't be eating it because I was feeding my dog food with preservatives that are potentially in the Girl Scout cookies. And the ingredient that I specifically saw in the Girl Scout cookies that was bothering me was the caramel food coloring. This morning, I woke up and I made a cup of coffee, and I usually eat something sweet with my coffee because I don't add creamer or anything additive to my coffee. And let me tell you, the other day I did some research about Coffee Mate and I saw not good things about that either. So those of you who drink or use Coffee Mate in your coffee, I think you should reconsider it. I really wanted something sweet for my coffee. I remembered a few weeks ago, I had bought a box of dates. Several weeks before that, I bought a little baggie with these balls that were made from dates, nuts, and some chocolate. And I was thinking, wow, it's such a all-natural sweetened appetizer for my morning breakfast. The baggie was probably anywhere from like $8 to $9 or maybe $7 to $8 at Sprouts. It was pretty expensive. And to keep up with that habit, I don't think so. So I bought the box of dates and I've been wanting to make something, which I haven't gotten to. This morning I was craving sweets so bad, like so bad. So I'm gonna actually make some delicious date balls that hopefully will influence you to also try at home, to make it for yourself, to have something delicious to eat every morning for your breakfast. I'll talk about why dates are so healthy. In addition to the dates, what I want to put into the little balls are, just watch the video and you'll see exactly what I put into the nutritious dessert balls. I guess that's what I'll call it for now. I hope you like it. All right, bye.